When calculating the electrical load for a condo unit with a 120 volts, 10 amps washer-dryer combo appliance, you would include 1.5 kVA for the laundry circuit. The question becomes, do you also need to carry an additional 1.2 kVA for the appliance itself? The answer is no, you do not carry both separately. The 1.5 kVA required for the laundry circuit as per code already accounts for the general use of laundry appliances. This requirement exists to ensure adequate capacity for typical laundry equipment. The 1.5 kVA value is derived from specific code guidelines which mandate a dedicated circuit for laundry areas to handle the load imposed by washing machines, dryers, and other laundry-related equipment. In this case, the washer-dryer combo is rated at 120 volts and 10 amps. Converting this to kVA, we multiply volts by amps and divide by 1000. Thus, 120 volts multiplied by 10 amps equals 1200 volt amps, which is 1.2 kVA. However, since the code requires a minimum of 1.5 kVA for the laundry circuit, you would use the 1.5 kVA value. The code specified 1.5 kVA takes precedence because it's designed to accommodate not only the initial appliance load but also any potential future increases or simultaneous use of other small appliances in the laundry area. Therefore, you would include 1.5 kVA for the laundry circuit, and you would not add an additional 1.2 kVA for the specific appliance, as the laundry circuit's capacity already covers it. The key reason to avoid adding both values is to prevent overestimation of the load. The electrical system design relies on accurate load calculations to ensure proper sizing of service panels, wiring, and other components. Overestimating the load can lead to unnecessary costs and potentially inefficient system design. The code's 1.5 kVA requirement for the laundry circuit is intended to provide a sufficient margin of safety without inflating the overall load calculation. In summary, for your condo unit's electrical calculations, you include the 1.5 kVA for the laundry circuit, which adequately covers the washer-dryer combo rated at 120 volts and 10 amps. No separate 1.2 kVA addition is needed. This approach ensures compliance with electrical codes and efficient system design. Always refer to the most current edition of the applicable electrical code for specific requirements and any potential amendments or local regulations.